talk about
one.
the. Oh, go ahead.
It's one little speck. So unless you can say, okay, carpet cleaners or roofers or dentists or restaurants, and look at multiple people across the entire world for that are members, and we have enough members at this point, it's a huge data set that we can look at and know what
Right.
that is. And as we start to put this out, the whole entire local SEO score is going to get smarter and smarter as we go on.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. And so, the other thing we were talking about, you're talking about web designers, and a lot of businesses are using web designers. Well, I don't want to throw out any names of them, and we know who they are. They help you build a website. I've looked at their websites, and they're pretty and they look nice. There's no value to it, and they're going, well, they're not getting traffic because of that. I mean, they're still getting some traffic because people have name recognition or referrals, word of mouth referrals. But when it's the the search, the blue sky search, that we call, I guess, when brain dead, what do we call that, Rob? Not a paid. What do they call that? Organic search. There we go.
Well, organic search. I didn't know where you were going with that,
I
Dean.
I was like, whoa, where's my brain going? I mean, but no, it's that true organic search. I mean, I've never owned a house that had carpet, let's say, and I put carpet in my house for the first time. I've always had hardwood floors. The process is different. I didn't know that. I've never had anybody talk to me, and so that's that's the whole thing. It's all about that content. But these people that are using these web building programs or software out there, they may have they're good. There's no information how direct traffic to them with that organic search. And then I've seen some people that have had professionally done websites, and they're putting their blogs in because they have permission from the web designer to do it. The blogs are not formatted right, so there's no value to it. So that's so if you don't use people like us, be aware.